Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you.
So for our omelette, I've got a pan that's heated up on a medium-high heat. Oh, it's pretty hot, so I'm going to turn that down. So you wanted the butter's really good because it helps you gauge how hot the pan is. So you want the butter to kind of sizzle a bit, but you don't want it to go crazy, and that's starting to be a bit crazy. So I've turned it down to medium, but you want to have it foaming like that. So then I've got 3 eggs that I've whisked with a little bit of salt. Let's get them into the pan. And essentially we're just going to let that cook gently until it's set. So obviously the higher the heat, the faster it'll cook. So just keep an eye on it. Great, so you can see the eggs pretty much set. There's a few kind of slightly wobbly bits, but it's starting to puff up. So we want to get it out of the pan, and then we're going to get our spinach in. So just it's going to use a whole bag, just so it's used up. And you don't have to wilt the spinach down if you don't want to, but it's kind of nice to do. Okay, so I like to wilt it down, but leave it so that there's still a few leaves that aren't completely wilted. So we don't want it to go all mushy. So get that on our plate. And then we're going to make our brown butter, which is yum, so yum. So we've got another 2 tablespoons of butter into the pan. And all we're going to do is essentially just cooking the butter down so that the lactose and the proteins kind of caramelize in the pan. So you want to keep cooking the butter until it starts to go a lovely nutty brown colour, which is hard to see in a dark pan like this. And of course, the darker you cook it, the more those beautiful caramelized flavors you're going to get, kind of biscuity vibe. But if I usually pull it off too early, but it still tastes good. So you can see it's starting to go a bit brown. You can see it's stopped foaming now, so that's because most of the moisture's cooked out. So we're just left with, we've got the walnuts in, so it's just 50 grams to a couple of ounces. They're already roasted, but I just want to combine them with the butter. And then we're just going to tip that over our omelette and it's good to go.
So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.